Hi everyone, it's Russell from Flux Pumps. Today I'm going to introduce you to our Viscopower high viscosity drum and IBC pump range. And we've got our gel tank display here with our lovely red hot lava. We've got a vertical Viscopower pump installed in our container, which is powered by a 3-phase electric motor in this case. Now these pumps can be also powered by compressed air motors or single-phase electric motors, depending on the viscosity and rheology of the media. We've got a flow meter in this display, which is showing us that we're pumping at 16 kilos per minute at present. These pumps can pump a lot faster than that, maybe up to 45 kilos per minute, depending upon the material that is being pumped. So the gel in our display here is at a viscosity of around 5,000 millipascals. But the pump will handle much thicker materials than this. So products such as epoxy resins, cosmetic products, soaps, shampoos, even cosmetic clays. And we also manufacture sanitary grade versions of these pumps for handling food products. Things like soups, sauces and tomato paste. So we cover a real wide range of applications with these pumps. So this pump is called a progressive cavity pump, and we can have a look at this drawing which will explain how it works. So it's a rotary pump driven by this drive shaft from the motor. We've got what we call a worm or a rotor, which is made out of stainless steel, which turns inside this white material called the stator. And the stators are available in different materials dependent on the media being pumped. So stator materials would be PTFE, FKM, which is Viton, or NBR nitrile material. So the pump works by contact between the stator and the rotor, which creates a vacuum and helps the product enter the pump. And it'll enter this cavity on the right here first of all. The rotor will turn, the material will pass across to the second cavity, third cavity, fourth cavity, and then up into the pump itself. So it's a very smooth pumping action. We're just parceling the material, pushing it up into the pump. So there's no pulsation. It gives us a very smooth flow, as you can see on our display. Now these pumps are designed to be extremely easy to look after, to maintain and clean. They have very few moving parts. So I'll show you our picture here of the internals of the pump. So with the drive shaft, the rotor, the stator housing, and the bearing flange up here. And you can see there's very few parts. The pump is very easy to strip down for cleaning, can be dismantled in 30 seconds. So it's ideal for sanitary applications in the food, cosmetics and pharma industry. These pumps are available from our stock in the UK. If you have any problem applications with difficult media, please give us a call or contact us on sales@flux-pumps.co.uk. Thanks for listening.